Is homeownership truly the ultimate goal, or could renting be a smarter long-term strategy? Society often tells us that buying a home is a sign of financial success, a forced savings plan that builds equity and gives you a tangible asset. But in today's world, skyrocketing real estate prices, steep property taxes, and unexpected maintenance costs have made buying a home less of a clear-cut win. Renting, on the other hand, offers flexibility. You can move with relative ease if job opportunities or personal circumstances change. You also avoid the headaches and expenses of home repairs, major renovations, or dealing with fluctuations in property value. Another factor people overlook is the opportunity cost. Tying up a large chunk of money in a down payment might mean less capital for other investments that could potentially yield higher returns, like starting a business, diving into the stock market, or even exploring alternative assets. Plus, homeownership can turn into a financial trap if you stretch yourself too thin to meet mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance bills. You might find yourself house poor with little disposable income to save, invest, or simply enjoy life. Of course, there are many benefits to owning a home, like building equity and having a sense of security. But if you're in a rapidly changing job market, anticipate relocating, or prefer the freedom to pivot quickly, renting might serve your lifestyle better. Renting can also allow you to live in areas you couldn't otherwise afford to buy in, like a prime city location with great job prospects, entertainment, or a better school district for your kids. In this scenario, the intangible benefits of location might outweigh the financial benefits of ownership. When it comes down to it, the decision to rent or buy depends heavily on individual goals, financial stability, and personal preference. The romanticized notion that everyone must own a home isn't always realistic. Sometimes renting forever can be the more pragmatic and financially savvy choice. As with any major decision, crunch the numbers, weigh the risks, and make sure your housing situation aligns with both your wallet and your life plans.